Alright, so this is going to be a quick unboxing of the new T-Mobile Revvl Tab 5G. Just got it in the mail today. I ordered it last Wednesday when it came out. It was free with via 24 months bill credits. When you add a tablet line, and you add a data plan, they're going to want you to do the $25 unlimited. I went down to the 2 gigabyte, which is $20 a month, and then I get a $5 auto pay, so it's $15 a month for 2 gigabytes. Box is pretty basic. In the T-Mobile magenta, you got the verbiage there, Revvl Tab 5G, seal there, seal on the top, and then you got your frequencies and such that it supports. Let's go ahead. It's still sealed. I haven't opened it yet. Let's get into it. The box is pretty standard rigid box. Greeted with a T-Mobile emblem that says Revvl 5G. It's pretty squared off like the new style iPads. Has a matte kind of graphite finish to it. Looks pretty good. Looks like these are the antennas on the side here. Top of it, you got a speaker grill. Right side of it, you got a magenta pink button, volume rocker. Looks like a mic port there. Bottom, you have a USB Type-C, followed by another speaker. And on the left side here, it looks like you got nothing but a SIM tray. And I believe this SIM tray also takes up to 2 terabytes of expandable storage. Let's see what else we got in the box. USB Type A to USB Type C. Got a SIM eject tool. And no brick. Damn it, T-Mobile, no brick. But that's it. Let's go ahead and peel this off real quick. I'm not going to get too much into the setup, but I will turn it on to see what kind of boot logo we got going on. With that removed, it looks like you got a center-mounted HD camera there to be used in landscape mode, and then nothing else in the front. Let's turn it on and see what we got. Charged. Oh, there we go. T-Mobile Revvl Tab 5G powered by Android. It's the first time it's booting up, so it's probably going to take a bit. But that's it. That is the quick and dirty unboxing of a T-Mobile Revvl Tab 5G.